There is a living culture of craftsmanship in India, and that is what AD India's voice is unique for.
For me, AD Discoveries is always a place to visit, to see what they're doing with craft and how they're interpreting it for the modern generation. And I think that's the most important thing.
Particularly for me is the Bawa Pavilion's the highlight, and it's just amazing how it's been curated, how it's been built, crafted.
The pavilion has everything that I love. A beautiful hand drawing which forms a large motif of the tree, the fabrics that come from his collection, and then Channa's beautiful new lamps that I absolutely madly fell in love with, and how beautifully they're used.
What sets it apart every year is a kind of curated talks that they have, because I think that sets the tone in which you kind of look at everything around you then.
AD is a master of collaborations, if I may say so. They knew just the right partners to get on board for the grazing table, for the greens, for everything, for the fabrics, for that perfect sage green and the velvet that's kind of flowing down. I think that's just the magic of AD.
The architect and design community is the heart of AD. We're speaking to them, we're speaking for them, we reflect and represent each other. It's a cultural moment that we try to put together. The one thing I hope AD always holds on to is this culture of India and craftsmanship, which is such an important part of it.